Tanner, this is getting ridiculous. Okay, here is some of my feedback on your resume. The top looks good. Um, I don't know about the summary if that's something people do. It's fine. I would flip it to be, I currently attend Brigham Young University and graduated from Lone Peak High School, right? I would just flip it. So education, you're in information systems. Is there anything else? I would say your GPA here, even if it's like a 3.4, 3.2, it's just kind of part of what you do. Um, if you want to brag about the test that you took with the Spanish test, that this is a great place to do it. The credits for your excellent Hispanic, like Spanish or whatever. Um, you don't tell stories in these; they're really bullet points. I would do bullets. So when you're talking about Lone Peak High School, if you bold that like you did Brigham Young, then you can do a bullet and say, parliamentary team won state, and then your next bullet, ninth place at nationals for parliamentary team. So again, that's two accolades for education. If you can think of any others, again, do the bullets. Employment history. This is confusing because right now you're doing Guardian pest control. So that should be your top one. And you should be demonstrating things that you're doing in it. I don't know why you're saying that you are doing this through September 2018. It's just confusing to me. So I guess I don't get the order here. Um, and then when you're doing this again, you want bullets and you want verbs. So, it'd be top performer of 18-member team. And then another bullet, 165 sales in just under 3 months, 70 hours a week. Do you know what I mean? So strengthening those verbs and bullet points, it'll make this longer and it'll look more like you've considered the things that you did. You probably got trained on a bunch of things too, so you could put your training in here. Um, Again, this is you do the bullet points. Reft athletes ages 9 through 19 and anything else that you did with that. Again, verbs. I like that you added this with hobbies and interests. The language is weird here. I'm an avid fisherman. That has been featured. I'm an avid fisherman, comma, featured in the Fergus Falls Dairy Journalism for the largemouth bass I catch. It's present tense. It happens. Anyway, and then you've got these things. That's good. Also, right now you're playing on a lacrosse team, so I would have that right here too, right? Isn't it the all-star something pickup team? Anyway, that should be here. I like your professional skills here. I like your language. I like your references. Good luck.